In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote. Milanote is a visual workspace that lets you capture ideas and organize projects in a flexible, creative way. Think of it like a digital whiteboard where notes, images, links, and files can live side by side. By the end, you'll know how to set up a board, fill it with content, keep it tidy, collaborate, and share your work. First, open your browser and head to the Milanote website. Create an account if you're new, or log in if you already have one. Signing in ensures your boards are saved and synced so you can come back to them from any device. Next, create a new board. Click New Board, then decide whether you want a blank canvas or to start from a template. A blank board is perfect for open-ended brainstorming. Templates like brainstorming layouts or mood boards give you a head start with structure. Name your board so it's easy to find later. Remember, a board is your workspace or canvas. Customize it to fit your project. Now add content to your board. To jot down thoughts or plans, click Add Note and start typing. Notes are great for outlines, to-dos, or quick ideas. To bring your vision to life visually, drag and drop images directly onto the board or click Upload Image to choose from your computer. If you have a helpful article or reference, just paste the URL on the board. Milanote will automatically create a clean preview. And if you need to keep project files together, upload PDFs, documents, or videos so everything lives in one place. Organize your board by dragging items anywhere. This free layout lets you cluster ideas naturally. Create columns to add structure. Use them as sections like research, ideas, and final assets. Group related items to keep context together. It really does work like a visual whiteboard, but with the benefit of tidy, movable pieces. If you want a head start, click Templates. Choose from content planning, a social media calendar, project planning, or mood boards. Templates save time and give you an instant framework you can customize. When you're mapping out concepts, connect ideas by drawing lines between items. These connections make relationships clear and are especially helpful for brainstorming and workflows. To collaborate, click Share, invite your team, and work together in real time. Everyone can add notes, move items, and refine the board simultaneously. When you're ready to deliver, export your board as a PDF or an image for easy sharing, or switch to presentation mode to walk people through your ideas clearly and professionally. That's it, your Milanote basics from setup to sharing. Try building your first board today and make your ideas visual.